Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is a King's Tutor. Okay, now I want to provide a solution to Neco 2021 question. Okay, this is one of the questions that was given in Neco 2021 mathematics. Okay, so it says find the value of log 6 to base 10 plus log 45 to base 10 minus log 27 to base 10. That is said without using mathematical tables. Okay, we should find the value of this. Okay, now once a question like this occur and they said without using mathematical table, it means they want us to use the laws. Okay, so now to solve this, very simple. Now we have this log 6 to base 10 plus log 45 to base 10 minus log 27 to what? To base 10. Okay, now in this now, what we have to do now, since it is addition, now the rules, that the laws of logarithm is, since it is addition and we have the same base, we can what? Take one of it and multiply what they have, and since it is subtraction, we can divide. So we can have something like this: log bracket 6 times 45 divided by 27, all to base 10, since they are all to base 10. So from this now we can reduce as log. Now from this point we can have, now reducing it, now 3 can go, or 9 can go into the 7. 9 into the 7 we can have 3. 9 for the 5 we can have 5. Okay, now 3 here is 1. 3 and 6 is 2. So we are left with 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 will give us what? 10. Okay? So we are left with log 10 to base 10. Now log 10 to base 10 gives us what? 1. Because the logarithm of a number to the same base is equal to what? To 1. So that is the solution of this answer. Thank you very much. If this is your first time, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.